Hi everyone, this is wysg. Today I'm going to install WSL in my Windows 11 PC. WSL is a Windows subsystem for Linux. It's basically a virtual Linux running in the Windows. If you have the recent update of Windows 11, you can easily install it with PowerShell. Now let us start. First, press the Windows key and type in the PowerShell. Don't press enter. You can see the run as administrator in the right hand side. Click it. Now you are in the admin PowerShell. In here, type in WSL space dash dash install and press enter. If you wait long enough, this message may or may not show. If you see this message, you have to press enter within 60 seconds. After that, the pre-processing for installing the WSL starts. After some time, the shell reappear. Now type in WSL space dash dash install again and press enter. And soon you can see the message to reboot the Windows. You can exit the PowerShell now. What I'm going to talk about now is only for Windows Pro users and is optional even for the Windows Pro users. I'm going to turn on the Hyper-V feature. With this feature, it'll be very easy to manage the virtual disk drives. Once again, press the Windows key and type in on or off. Then you can see turn Windows features on or off. Click it. A new Windows pops up. Down here you can see the Hyper-V. Simply check it and click OK. Some installation process will go on and there will be a message to restart the system. You can just click the restart now and let the system reboot. For those of you who didn't turn on the Hyper-V, it's time to reboot manually. After the reboot, enter the admin PowerShell again and type in WSL space dash dash install and press enter again. And finally, you can see the Ubuntu installing. After the install is finished, you can set the username. It is by default filled with the Windows username. You can change it or leave it. Press enter and you can set the password, type and retype the password. By default, the password typing is not shown in the Linux systems. Now the installation is complete and you are in the Linux shell. The WSL installation is complete. I'll see you in the next video. If you felt this video is useful, like or subscribe.